INTRINSIC Cabernet Sauvignon. INTRINSIC challenges everything: how wine is made, how it looks, and how it's enjoyed. The result? A Cabernet of rustic yet sophisticated texture with flavors of black cherry, pomegranate, and chocolate, followed by a savory and long finish. Our unique label was created by Zimmer, an elusive Brooklyn street artist. Using a technique called wild style, his artistry perfectly matches our unconventional winemaking techniques. Winemaker Juan Munoz Oca shares his thoughts on Washington Cabernet Sauvignon and INTRINSIC's unique winemaking process.
Cabernet Sauvignon grows wonderfully in the Columbia Valley. It has found a sophisticated expression of itself, and we make some of our best wines in Washington based on Cabernet Sauvignon. INTRINSIC has tremendous complexity, in part because we age a third of the wine in oak. A portion of the wine stays on the skins after fermentation for up to 9 months, adding the raw effect to the wine, and a portion fermenting in concrete, adding a mineral tone to the wine. That ability for us to try new things, we take it very seriously, and I think that is what pushed us to actually go 9 months on the skins and discover how beautiful the wine comes off at the end. We are trying to replace the silkiness that comes from aging the wine in new oak with silkiness that comes from the intrinsic qualities of the grapes, in this case the skins. So they impart a tremendous amount of tannin early on during the aging on the skins, but then they act as a sponge, and they do a natural fining on the wine. And what's left behind is this silky, very beautiful texture that is gritty at times, yet very silky and elegant.
In addition to the 9-month extended fermentation and blend of concrete and oak aging, the wine is further enhanced with a small amount of Cabernet Franc. INTRINSIC Cabernet Sauvignon's unique texture, generous flavor, and artful label makes a bold statement and pairs with a variety of foods, friends, and gatherings. INTRINSIC Cabernet Sauvignon, a Cabernet Sauvignon from Washington State that challenges everything through unconventional winemaking and urban style. INTRINSIC Cabernet has a complex texture with flavors of black cherry, chocolate, and pomegranate, and a long, savory finish.